If you are someone like me, constantly reviewing drawings, marking them up, doing presentations, site visits, meetings, and on top of that, working on concepts, sketches, and ideation, then this product might actually make sense for you. This isn't a tech review, I'm sharing how me, as someone working as architectural project manager and delivering BIM projects, plan to use this iPad as a tool in my workflow. This is the iPad Air 11-inch with Apple's M3 chip, and I went for the 256 GB storage option. Even though 128 GB would have been kinda enough, but additionally I plan to use this iPad for video editing in DaVinci Resolve, so I decided to go with 256, just to be on the safer side. I got this on a Unidays discount, which means I got the Apple Pencil Pro included at no additional cost. This iPad normally retails for around 70,000 in India, but I managed to get this for about 65,000. Finally, the moment of truth.
Oh my god.
The box is pretty straightforward. We have the iPad itself. The color of my choice is space gray. We also got some documentation and paperwork.
Let me keep this.
And last but not the least, the charger. Oops, that was very clumsy. Well, never mind.
Oopsie.
Now let's unbox the Apple Pencil Pro. Again, we got some documentation and paperwork. Let's keep this aside. We got the pencil itself. It feels nice and comfortable to hold. Let's switch it on and set up the iPad. The apps that I will be using day in day out would be Zoho. Our entire office ecosystem runs on Zoho products, be it Zoho Mail, Zoho Drive, Zoho Meet, Zoho Sprints, Zoho Click, you name it. The other apps that I will be using extensively will be Bluebeam, Autodesk Construction Cloud, Procreate, Liquid Text, DaVinci Resolve, and many more. Registering my fingerprint, and here we go. And we are done with the basic setup. I ordered the screen protector from this brand called ESR, which is fairly considered to be reliable. Now let's do the quick installation. There are a couple of steps involved in the application, and let's follow them one after the other. One more step and we are good to go. Now let's check out the Folio case, which is also from this brand ESR. The case looks good, and I like the fact that it completely seals the Apple Pencil Pro and it keeps it safe. The case snaps on neatly and the cutouts are precise. Yeah, I think we are good to go.